Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
After calibration, turn off the printer and remove the badge stock. Make sure the ink cartridges and the maintenance box are properly inserted into the printer. Unplug the power cable and wrap it up for packing. Place the printer in the box with the front of the printer facing the foam lip inside the packing box. Place the top level inside the box and place the power cable inside the top level. Cover the box with the top lid. Place the FedEx return label on the box and secure the box lid with the provided red seals.